Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are CS1115D, Group 7. We are going to present our group assignment, which is QMT342 Waiting Line and Queuing Theory, based on Raub Post Office Queuing System. First, I would like to introduce to you the group members. First, we have Muhammad Farid bin Muhammad Khalid. Second, Lukman Al-Hakim bin Ahmad. Thirdly, myself, Aiman Hakim bin Ahmad Lusna, and Haziq bin Saiful Bahari. The content of this group assignment is firstly, introduction. Secondly, arrival characteristics and waiting line characteristics. Thirdly, service facility characteristics. And lastly, the conclusion. Introduction. The Raub Post Office business type is publicly traded state-owned enterprise. The services it provides are standard mail, courier express and parcels CEP, and retail. The location is at 197A and B, Jalan Lipis 27600, Raub, Pahang. Its operation time is between 8:30 AM to 5:30 PM and has 3 servers.
For arrival characteristic and waiting line characteristic, first, size of the calling population is infinite. It is regarded as unlimited. For second, the pattern of arrival at the system is random. It is because the arrival of the customer cannot be expected and they are unrelated to each other. And the last one, for behavior of the arrival axis is patient customer. During the observation, it was clear that every customer waits in line before receiving service. Next, for waiting line characteristic, the length of the queue is unlimited, as the number of customers in a line is not fixed. Next, queue discipline is FIFO, first in, first out, where the first customer to arrive will be served and the final customer to arrive will be served last.
Next, the service facility characteristic. The configuration of service time. Number of channel which is server is multi-channel system. Since the server is 3, the S equal to 3. And the number of access which is station is single phase system. For the pattern of service time, we use the exponential distribution and we get the 30 customer per hour. For the basic queuing system configuration, since our data is multi-server, single line, single phase, is best. This is the diagram. The customer arrival, waiting in the queue, and get their service, and end. Next, for the queuing model, the arrival rate, which is lambda, equal to 25 customer per hour. The service rate, lambda, equal to 30 customer per hour. And the servers equal to S, which is equal to 3.
And then we continue to the calculation part. The first question is to identify the utilization factor. The formula is P equal to lambda divided by S multiplied by mu. Since the lambda equal to 25, S equal to 3 and mu equal to 30, we use this formula. We get 25 over 3 times with 30. We got 25 over 90 equal to 5 over 18, and the final answer is 0.2778. Therefore, the utilization factor is 0.2778. For the second calculation, we need to determine the probability that there are 0 customers or units in the system. The formula is 1 over summation 1 over n factor times with lambda over mu with the power of n plus 1 over s factor times with lambda over mu with the power of s times with 1 over 1 minus p. We insert the value into the formula and we got the value 156 over 361 and the final answer is 0.4321. Therefore, the probability that there are 0 customers or units in the system is 0.4321.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are CS1115D, Group 7. We are going to present our group assignment, which is QMT342 Waiting Line and Queuing Theory, based on Raub Post Office Queuing System. First, I would like to introduce to you the group members. First, we have Muhammad Farid bin Muhammad Khalid. Second, Luqman Al-Hakim bin Ahmad. Thirdly, myself, Aiman Hakim bin Ahmad Lusna, and Haziq bin Saiful Bahari. The content of this group assignment is firstly, introduction. Secondly, arrival characteristics and waiting line characteristics. Thirdly, service facility characteristics. And lastly, the conclusion. Introduction. The Raub Post Office business type is publicly traded state-owned enterprise. The services it provides are standard mail, courier express and parcels CEP, and retail. The location is at 197A and B, Jalan Lipis 27600, Raub, Pahang. Its operation time is between 8:30 AM to 5:30 PM and has 3 servers.
And next calculation for the average time a customer spend in the system. The formula is W equal to L over lambda, which is equal to 0.8555 over 25, which is the answer is 0.0342 hour. And we conclude that to minutes and we got the 2 minutes. So the average time a customer spend in the system is 2 minutes. Then calculation for the average time a customer spend in waiting in the queue is the formula is the WQ equal to LQ over lambda, which is the 0.022 over 25, which is the answer is 0.009 hour. So we conclude to minutes and we got the answer is 0.0533 minutes. So the average time a customer spend in the waiting in the queue is 0.00533 minutes.
Next is the conclusion. For the conclusion, is the number of server provided adequate? Yes, because customer can be served on time. And are the customer are happy with the waiting time? The answer is yes, because customers spend on an average of 0.0533 minutes.
Last but not least, what we have learned in this project. First, we learned about how to calculate average arrival rate and average service rate. Second, we learned about how to understand queuing system for real-world use. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.